As the world's climate changes, plants and animals have adapted by expanding into new territory and even shifting their breeding seasons. Now, research suggests that over the past 75 years, flowers have also adapted to rising temperatures and declining ozone by altering ultraviolet, UV, pigments in their petals. Flowers' UV pigments are invisible to the human eye, but they attract pollinators and serve as a kind of sunscreen for plants, says Matthew Koski, a plant ecologist at Clemson University. Just as UV radiation can be harmful to humans, it can also damage a flower's pollen. The more UV-absorbing pigment the petals contain, the less harmful radiation reaches sensitive cells. Previously, scientists found that flowers exposed to more UV radiation, usually those growing at higher elevations or closer to the equator, had more UV pigment in their petals. Damage to the ozone layer and temperature changes also influenced the UV pigments. On average, pigment in flowers at all locations increased over time, an average of 2% per year from 1941 to 2017. UV-absorbing pigment increased when ozone levels went down and decreased in locations where ozone went up. But flowers with pollen concealed within their petals. When these flowers are exposed to higher temperatures, their pollen is in danger of being cooked, he says. Reducing UV pigments in the petals causes them to absorb less solar radiation, bringing down temperatures. As a result, flowers that dial up their pigment could lose that contrast, ultimately making them less attractive to passing flyers. These pigment changes may help protect pollen, but pollinators might miss the flowers entirely.